many peanuts?
Hey Chimpu, Gompu, Lampa, come here. Come here fast. Can you see those peanuts? The man is sleeping. Come, let's go fast and take them.
Take your bag fast, all of you. Come, let's go.
I got lots of peanuts. Take more, Chimpu. They look very tasty. Oh, the man has woken up. Run! Run up the tree.
I have more peanuts than you, Monku.
No, I have more than you.
No, I have the most number of peanuts.
Okay. Let's stop fighting now. Let's count our peanuts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 43 peanuts. Oh no! If only I took 7 more peanuts, then I will have 50 peanuts.
Hey Chimpu, I have 58 peanuts. So I have 15 more peanuts than you.
But how, Monku uncle?
I have 58 peanuts. Chimpu has only 43 peanuts. Let's do 58 minus 43 is equal to 15. So I have 15 more peanuts than Chimpu.
Oh, now I know. Gompu uncle, how many peanuts do you have?
I have only 41 peanuts. How many do you have, Lampa? I have more than you, Gompu. I have 45 peanuts.
Chimpu has 43 peanuts. Gompu has 41 peanuts. And Lampa has 45 peanuts. Oh, so Gompu has 2 peanuts less than Chimpu. And Lampa has 2 peanuts more than Chimpu.
So, Monku uncle, you have the most number of peanuts. So you can give us some to eat now.
You go and pick your peanuts. See, that man has slept again.
No, he has kept his hand on the basket. If I go near him, he will hit me. But he has lots of peanuts. How many peanuts does he have?
He has hundreds of peanuts.
I know. 100 is called a century.
Century? How do you know that?
Oh, Monku uncle, we go and watch cricket matches in that tea shop. Once I saw Sachin Tendulkar hit 100 runs. They said that it was a century.
I don't think so. You are wrong, little baby. Look, Chinu is coming. Let us ask him.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Chinu. Chinu, we have a problem. Will you help us?
Yes, I will. Tell me what the problem is.
This baby is telling us that 100 is also called century. Is that so, Chinu?
Yes, Manku. 100 is also called century.
I told you. I am right.
Stop it now. It's okay.
Hey, stop fighting now. Let's all play a game. Shall we play cricket?
No cricket. Let us play the jumping game.
What is that?
Come, we will take you to our jumping hill. We just jump like this.
Wait, Manku. Do you know what is written on your jumping hill?
I know they are numbers, but I don't know what numbers they are. So we all just jump.
Chinu, we know this is 99. We also know that it is 100 after 99. We don't know after 100.
Wait, I will tell you. After 100, it is 101. Then it is 102. Then look here. It is 103.
Oh, it is so easy. Then it is 104, 105, 106,
107, 108, 109, 110.
Then I know. It is 111, 112. Oh, we have to keep going on and on and on. Chinu, what is after 199?
It is 200, Manku. Then it is 201. 202. You will have to keep saying till 299. Then it is 300.
What is it after 399?
Okay, I will count in hundreds for you. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900.
Okay, I will repeat it now. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900.
That's right, Monku.
Chinu, I also know how to count in tens. Can I tell you? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130.
Stop, stop, stop. Now I will count in 50s.
50s?
Just listen now. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350.
Stop. Very good, Chimpu. Now let us play a game. I will write a number. You have to tell me what number I have written. Let us start.
$215.
308.
467.
What is that now? Okay, let me try. It is 104.
That's very good. Now try this.
I don't know how to do this.
Even I can't do this. Monku, can you tell us the answer?
No, Chinu. What is this?
Okay, I will tell you now. Look, this is 600. This is 40. And this is 6. When we add all this, it becomes 646. See, it is 600, so we take 6. Then it is 40.
I know 40 is equal to 4 times.
That's right. So we take 4 from here. Then it is 6 ones. So it is 646.
Oh, Chinu, this is so easy. Can you give me one more number?
Okay, Monku, try this.
I can do this. I can do this. First, I will take 5. Then it is 8 tens. So I will write 8 here. Then it is 7 ones. So 8 is 587.
Hey, Monku, even you are becoming smarter now.
Chinu, I am very, very smart. Smarter than all of these foolish monkeys.
I am not foolish. Chinu, give Monku uncle one more. Let's see if he can do it.
Okay, Monku, try this.
Chinu, you wrote it the other way round.
Oh, Monku uncle, it is fine. I can do this. First, I will take 8 from this 800. Then it is 7 tens. So I will take 7. Then it is 5 ones. So it is 875. Chinu, is it right?
Yes, you are right.
Monku uncle, I am not foolish. I am not foolish.
Chinu, you wrote it the other way round.
Monku, it is not wrong. You have to look at hundreds, tens and ones and then write your answer.
It is okay now. I am going to jump now. Do you all want to come?
Come, let's go.
Okay, let's all jump now. I will stand on 100. Monku, you stand on 101. Chimpu, you stand on 102.
I will sit on Chimpu uncle.
Okay, sit on him and he will jump for you. Now, I will tell you how to jump. Look at me. I am on 100. So I will jump 5 steps forward. See, I am on 105. Monku, you jump 8 steps forward.
8 steps forward from 101. So it is 109. I will jump to 109.
Chimpu, you jump 6 steps forward now. Okay.
Jump, Chimpu uncle. Jump 6 steps. We are on 102. You have to jump 6 steps. Chimpu uncle, jump to 108.
That's very good. Now I will jump 2 steps backwards. So I will jump to 103. Monku, You jump 2 steps forward.
Okay, I am on 109. Now I will jump 2 steps forward. Oh, what a number! 111. All ones. I am on 111 now. Chimpu, you jump 8 steps backward.
Okay, I will jump 8 steps backward. I am on 108 now. I will jump to 100. This jumping game is fun. We did not know the numbers before, so we just used to jump.
Now, let's play a riddle game. I will tell the first riddle. You all guess the number. Let me start. It has 2 fat stomachs. Next to it is a big 0. It is in between 70 and 90. What is it?
I know. It is 80. Let me ask one now. 2 little ducks sailing between 21 and 23. What is it?
I know. It is 22. Now I will ask. If you hit 6 after this number, you will score a century. Chinu, can you tell the number?
Oh yes, I can. It is 94. If you hit a 6, then it will be a century. What is a century plus half a century?
I will tell you. A century is 100. Half a century is 50. So it is 100 plus 50. It is 150.
That is right, Monku. Tell me, Monku, there are hundreds of monkeys in the forest. How do you count them?
That's the problem, Chinu. There are so many monkeys in the forest. We are one big family. But I do not know how to count them all. Will you help us, Chinu?
Sure, Monku. I will tell you how to count the members of your family. First, let us make some numbers with these leaves. Like this. Look, I have written 1 on all these leaves. Now let us put 1 leaf for each monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have counted up to 10.
Oh, but we are hundreds of monkeys. How do we count them? With this one number, we will forget.
Wait, I will tell you how to do it. Once we have counted 10 monkeys with this number, I will replace these 10 leaves with this blue flower.
You have written 10 10 on this flower, Chinu. Why?
Because I am using this instead of 10 one-number leaves. Every time you count 10 monkeys with these leaves, then you can replace the leaves with this flower, as I have written 10 on this.
Now I will tell you. Each flower means 10 monkeys. So if there are 10 flowers, that means there are 100 monkeys. Like this. 10 plus 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 10 is equal to 100. Then for every 100 monkeys, can we put this yellow flower and write 100 on it?
Oh yes, you can. So one yellow flower can be used for 100 monkeys.
See, every yellow flower means 100 monkeys. So if we have 5 yellow flowers, it means we have 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is equal to 500. Then we are 500 monkeys.
Manku, this is very smart. You can count big groups like this. I wonder how we can count the stars in the sky. Friends, can you count groups of big numbers? Have you tried to count the stars in the sky?
Will you say the answers loudly and write it also? 400 plus 20 plus 9 . 429. 300 plus 30 plus 7 . 337. 700 plus 10. 710. 200 plus 48. 248. 4 plus 20 plus 500. 524. 3 plus 70 plus 600. 673. 870. 400. 400. 18. 27. 54. 707. 'Shall we take a jump?' Can you give the answers loudly? Jump 2 steps forward. 302, 304, 306, 308, 310, 312. Jump 5 steps forward. 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. Jump 2 steps backward. 584, 582, 580, 578, 576, 574, 572, 570. Jump 10 steps forward. 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470. Jump 10 steps backward. 650, 640, 630, 620, 610, 600, 590. Shall we break into hundreds, tens, and ones? Bunch of flowers. 284, 200, 80, and 4. Bundle of sticks. 332, 300, 30 and 2.
Swarm of bees.
247. 200. 40 and 7. Bundle of pencils. 487. 400. 80 and 7. Meenu, Chinu, Sheila, Sahil, Jeetu, Ravi, Seema and Fatima got beads to make bangles. Meenu 141 beads. Chinu 135 beads. Sheila 110 beads. Sahil 95 beads. Jeetu 120 beads. Ravi 112 beads. Seema 101 beads. Fatima 131 beads. How many more beads does Meenu need to get 150? (150) minus 141. 9 beads. By how many beads did Sahil miss 100? 100 minus 95. 5 beads. Who got the most number of beads? Meenu. Who got the least number of beads? Sahil. And have a difference of just 2 beads between them. Sheila and Ravi have a difference of just 2 beads between them. Who crossed 100 beads by just one number? Seema 101 beads.